Hello. So it's been a few months since I've done terrible things to my hair. Last time I shaved it all off. As you can see, it has grown into this disaster currently. So Jay is going to help me trim it because it's hard to see the back of your head, and here we are. So they're gonna help me trim it, and then I'm going to bleach and dye it and ruin it a little bit more. My already very damaged hair. But here we are, we took a little break from bleaching it and doing terrible things. It got a little rest, but now it's time to get back to business. Back on my bullshit.
Be honest.
I think just because I like how long it's up top, but it's not long enough for me to shave the sides really. I feel like I would like it to be longer before I rock an undercut again. So I think I just want the sides trimmed and the back trimmed a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Just a little bit neater.
Just fuck me, fam.
So I don't look like I have the beginning of a mullet.
I feel like maybe you should wet your hair. Should you wet your hair? Wet your hair.
Well, are you gonna use the clippers?
I don't know. Just wet your hair.
I feel like a wet dog.
Yeah. Babe, stop touching it. Stop. You need to relax.
Don't know how.
I know. Okay, so we're very professional, and I can't find actual shears, so we're gonna be.
I don't know where they are. Craft scissors.
IKEA.
Oh.
It says IKEA. Or maybe it doesn't. It does say IKEA. So turn around.
When did we buy scissors from IKEA?
I don't know.
Have you even been to IKEA?
No, I've never been to IKEA.
I've been to IKEA, but I don't think those are mine. I remember the first time I let someone cut my hair.
Remember the first time you let me cut your hair and you had a fucking meltdown?
Did I?
Okay, put your head down.
I don't remember all that. Oh, it's because you were using the clippers and you dug a patch, extremely shorter than the rest of my hair.
I feel like it wasn't that deep.
No, it was very obvious.
No, it really was not that deep.
It took a few weeks to grow out.
It was not that deep though.
I'm not doing somewhat okay.
You're cutting hair.
I love how that was zero feedback.
More. There's so much hair.
We love just looking like a boy.
We love winging it. Okay. Put your head there.
Can you tell they're an Aries? I feel like being lazy for a little bit, and then I'm gonna bleach it and dye it. Hey guys, so I'm back in a different tie-dye shirt because I'm going to be bleaching my hair, and this already has some bleach spots on it, so fun times. So I'm going to be using Salon Care 40 Volume Cream. I know everyone recommends to use less than 40 because that's pretty aggressive, But, like, it's fine. It's fine. My hair takes a lot to lighten, honestly, so I've been using this for years and really haven't noticed too much damage overall, so still gonna use that. And then I'm using today L'Oreal's Technique Quick Blue Concentrated Bleach. So, an exclusive salon product lifts up to 7 levels. Amazing, because I need my hair very bright to pull off the green that I'm dyeing it, because wow, that's a lot brighter than what my hair currently is. So I'm just sitting on the toilet doing this because wow, let's not fall down today. I kind of just start in like big globs at the center and work my way out normally. I haven't dyed all of my hair the same color. Oh, love that. Reasons why I wore a bleached shirt. Because dropping bleach is inevitable. For me, at least. Now that I have a good amount on, I'm just going to take a break from the brush. Just kind of blend that into all of my hair. It's already getting very blonde up top. Hoping that continues to the sides, otherwise I might have to bleach parts of it again. Which I would rather not do. So, most of it got to a pretty good blonde color. I did, however, somehow completely miss some spots. If you can see behind this ear and behind this one a little bit. Right here a little. So now my hair is officially completely bleached. So now I'm going to be using my toner and developer. And this is just by Wella, and it's a liquid hair toner in T18 or lightest ash blonde. And this just helps get a lot of the red tone and orangey tones out of my hairs. I don't always use toner, especially if I'm dyeing it red or orange or something like that, but since I'm going green this time, I gotta at least try to use toner and make it look better. Honestly, my hair is pretty short. This works pretty quickly, so I'll probably be back in a little bit. So as you can see, this turns very purple. So I'm gonna wash this out and hope for the best. Hey guys, so my hair is finally lightened. I ended up actually using this deep conditioner. It's by Proclaim Professional Care, and it's a strengthening intensive hair mask. Yeah, I always do a hair mask after I bleach or lighten my hair at all. Yeah, so it's finally time to add the color in. And I'm using Arctic Fox's shade Neverland. So I am again sitting down because I'm tired. And just gonna open this up and apply the final step. That is physically so pretty, and I'm honestly very excited for this color. It also smells very fruity somehow. So this is how it looks on, and I think I covered it pretty well. I really like this color. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it in for at least half an hour, maybe a little longer, depending on how it's doing at that point. Let's hope this turned out okay. I really like it. I feel like I look like a little forest nymph or something, so I'm happy with this. Yeah. And probably after this, I'll definitely use Arctic Fox a lot more. I think I've used their dyes once or twice before, but not Yeah, this turned out really well. It's pretty close to the color on there. Definitely a little bit more on the yellowy green side, but I still like it. I liked how it turned out. So, fun times. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video and me doing chaotic things to my hair at all times. Yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Yeah, I post every Wednesday, and if you'd like to see more content, then please hit subscribe. Bye guys, see you later.